Bitcoin is likely to surge into the $17,000 range over the next few days and maybe 1 or 2 weeks. And today we're going to go into the details of why. So if you like today's video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Let's dive in some technicals with Bitcoin. We're going to keep things really simple today. Fives and threes. Always knowing that the market's more often than not moving fives and threes. And when we can identify that, we can see where the price action is likely to go next. So what do we see with Bitcoin? Well, we've clearly had this five-wave movement to the downside in recent times, but we've had this surge up. And that's really, really important information because, again, remember fives and threes, after a five-wave move to the downside, what's most typical is some type of 1, 2, 3-wave structure, referred to as an ABC correction. However, we may see this high broken, which means this is a $17,000 range, but we might even see it go into the $18,000 and $20,000 range, which is highly probable. So I just want to zoom in over here. There's really 2-3 things that I want to focus on. The first one is the momentum. We got a dashboard down here that tells us that the momentum is bullish on the weekly, bullish on the daily, and we should consider buying. So we always want to go in the direction of the trend because the trend is our friend. This movement to the upside is bigger than any other form of move, so it's likely we're going to see this high broken and see it go into this range. And I've actually got a long order in right now because of this as well. Celebrations. I'm 40 today. Yes, I am 40, 4 decades of life. And to celebrate my 40th, I've launched my 40/40 NFT collection. We went live in pre-sales the other day, and today the public sale goes live. We can see it on OpenSea. The reveal date is on the 1st of January 2023. And if you want to participate and grab yourself some, it's £40, which is the equivalent of 0.04 Ethereum. You can click on the website and you'll get straight over here. And if you click on buy, it'll take you to the payment page. And we've created some really easy options. You can buy 1, you can buy 5, you can buy 10, you can buy 25, you can pay by Visa or MasterCard. Or if you're a bit more savvy with crypto, you can connect your MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum network. And once your wallet's connected, it will take you straight to buying 1 NFT. However, if you want to buy more, what you do is you just reject the transaction. This is MetaMask at its finest. We're moving to Web3, the era of ownership. And you can just select how many you want. You can buy up to 100 in one go. But if you want 1, 2, or 3, let's just go for 2. And then you just click mint, and it mints your NFT directly onto the Ethereum blockchain. And then you can actually go back to OpenSea. It'll be in your wallet, but you'll also see your token number over here when you connect it to OpenSea as well. So help me celebrate my 40th and get closer to me in my private community. These are utility tokens. Some will give you one-to-one access in terms of coaching. Some of them will give you some of my premium services. And we've got a whole roadmap next year in 2023. So we're going to bring you incredible value. All right, we're going to go back to Bitcoin. I just want to finish on 2 more things, actually, with Bitcoin. With the price range and price target, the reason we've got this zone up here is we've taken something called a retracement, measured the price movement down here, price movement up, and this is the typical zone that a movement to the upside goes. That's very, very common. And I just want to do one more price projection, so to speak. If this low over here holds, then we're likely to see at least as a minimum, the red line, which is around $17,500 Bitcoin. What do you think? Do you think it's going to surge to the upside? Well, we'll just see. I've got a long trade positioned on a swing high with a stop loss down here, and then we'll see how it unfolds over the coming days prior to Christmas. Prior to Christmas, we might get a nice little Santa Claus rally. All right, guys, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I appreciate you. I'm getting ready to celebrate my birthday. My wife's taking me out. I don't know where, so I've got to be ready in the next 10 minutes or so. I've got a whole day planned, so it'll be very, very nice. But yeah, do participate in my 40/40 collection with the NFTs. You'll love the utility, and we've really worked hard on the art as well. All the links will be in the description below. I was going to read you a quote from my book, but let's go with one from the top of my head. It's one of my favorites from when I was 23 years old. To experience the ocean, you must first build the courage to leave shore.